I'm Aisha, you are watching Educational Hub. Alright. If you want to capture a reader's interest, frame an engaging title. If you need to summarize your text, write a good abstract. An abstract briefly and precisely describes what a paper is about and what readers can anticipate finding from it. Okay, an abstract, written as a short piece of text, assumes a pivotal role because it helps readers decide whether to read the entire paper or not. By following a few simple guidelines, scholars can create abstracts that generate interest in their work and help readers quickly learn if the paper will interest them. First, we need to understand, what is abstract? An abstract is a short summary of a longer work, such as a dissertation or research paper. The abstract concisely reports the aims and outcomes of your research so that readers know exactly what the paper is about. An abstract is usually around 150 to 300 words, but there's often a strict word limit, so make sure to check the requirements of the university or journal. In a dissertation or thesis, include the abstract on a separate page, after the title page and acknowledgements but before the table of contents. So, write the abstract at the very end, when you've completed the rest of the text. There are 4 things you need to include: your research problem and objectives, your methods, your key results or arguments, your conclusion. What is the purpose of an abstract? An abstract is a concise summary of an academic text, such as a journal article or dissertation. It serves 2 main purposes: to help potential readers determine the relevance of your paper for their own research, to communicate your key findings to those who don't have time to read the whole paper. Objectives. Start by clearly defining the purpose of your research. What practical or theoretical problem does the research respond to? Or what research question did you aim to answer? You can include some brief context on the social or academic relevance of your topic, but don't go into detailed background information. After identifying the problem, state the objective of your research. Use verbs like investigate, test, analyze or evaluate to describe exactly what you set out to do. This part of the abstract can be written in the present or past simple tense, but should never refer to the future, as the research is already complete. Methods. Next, indicate the research methods that you used to answer your question. This part should be a straightforward description of what you did in 1 or 2 sentences. It is usually written in the past simple tense as it refers to completed actions. Results. Next, summarize the main research results. This part of the abstract can be in the present or past simple tense. Depending on how long and complex your research is, you may not be able to include all results here. Try to highlight only the most important findings that will allow the reader to understand your conclusions. Conclusion. And finally, state the main conclusions of your research. What is your answer to the problem or question? The reader should finish with a clear understanding of the central point that your research has proved or argued. Conclusions are usually written in the present simple tense. Okay, if your paper will be published, you might have to add a list of keywords at the end of the abstract. These keywords should reference the most important elements of the research to help potential readers find your paper during their own literature searches. Thank you for watching. I hope you can easily understand what is abstract and how to write abstract in research paper. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.